Okay, so we'll be now focusing on conditional formatting in Excel. So far we completed sorting, and then we've completed filtering, and now we move on to conditional formatting. So conditional formatting, how it works in Excel is basically, for example, when I'm showing this Excel sheet, I want the students who have got more than 95, automatically their marks should appear in red color, for example. The font should become red. Sorry, not red, let's make it dark blue, for example. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all this data. Okay. And here, wherever the marks is above 95, it should appear red in color. The font should appear red in color. So I selected this data. And over here inside the home tab, I have something called conditional formatting. Click on this and I'm going to put a new rule. So go for the second option, format only cells that contain. Okay, format only cells that contain. What do they contain? A cell value greater than 95. Okay, so cell values which are greater than 95, format them in the following way. So I click on format and I say that the font color should become dark blue. Okay, font color should become dark blue. We have various options. You can make the fill change, you can make borders appear, you can do so many things. I'm just going to focus only on font color, and for example, let's make it bold also. So I click OK. Okay. So now see, wherever the marks is above 95 has become dark blue and has become bold. Then for example, students whose marks are below 93 marks, for example, which are below 93, new rule, format only cells that contain cell value less than or equal to 93. What's going to happen? For example, the entire cell should be filled with red color and the font should be, for example, italic. So click on OK. Okay. So now you see those who are having marks less than 93 has automatically become red and has also become italic. Okay. Let's do one more conditional formatting. So for example, students who are from the commerce stream. Okay, so for example, new rule, format only cells that contain, not a cell value, specific text. What's the text? Containing the word commerce. So for example, those who are from commerce, for example, I want the font to become dark green. Font color should become dark green. Say okay. Okay, so all the commerces become dark green. And for example, all those who are from humanities, specific text containing humanities. So for example, that should, for example, become yellow. Color should become gold, for example. Say okay. So now you see all the humanities have become gold in color. So this is what we call conditional formatting. Okay, it does a formatting based on a condition that you give. Okay. So once you are done with this practice, please go into your classroom and you do have activity to do on conditional formatting. Once you have completed this quiz on conditional formatting, there is a quiz which is asking you questions from all that you have learned so far. Please make sure you attempt it and upload the files, and please make sure you click mark as done.